Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is super exciting because I have the brand new Laura Lee Los Angeles eyeshadow palettes. I have Party Animal and Boss Babe, and I'm super excited to try these out. Oh my god, I have been like waiting at my mailbox like a dog, waiting for these to come in the mail, and they finally came, so I am psyched. First of all, this packaging is just beautiful. It's to die for. Oh my gosh. So this is the Party Animal side, and this is the Boss Babe side, and it looks kind of like a book, and I just think this is such a sleek design. It's innovative. I've never seen anything like it, and when you open it up, it looks like this, and I just think that is so cool. So the actual palettes are in here, so when you open them up, they just slide out like so, and just, oh my god, look at that. That is just so stunning. So that is the Party Animal one. And then on this side, we have the Boss Babe one, which is just as beautiful. So you can pull the little string and they pop right out. And this is the packaging. I think she did a great job. Oh my gosh, I love Laura Lee. So I was super excited when these came out. And when you open it up, oh my god, guys. Like, oops. Do you see that? That is just beautiful. I love these colors. Now this is Boss Babe. I'm going to do some swatches and see if I can get my life together. This is Party Animal. And it comes in this same little kind of unicarton, just different kind of color schemes. Ooh, it's so pretty. And holy moly, you guys, do you see that? It's so beautiful. Now, I'm more of like a neutral kind of girl, but you know, these colors are amazing, and I just had to have it. So here are both of the palettes. They are absolutely beautiful. You get 6 shades in each. They come with a nice mirror on top. The packaging just feels like very like high-end and beautiful, and I don't know, it doesn't feel like cheap in any way. Not that I thought it was going to be, but it's just so sleek and beautiful. I just can't get over it. Laura Lee, you did a bomb-ass job. It also came with this little card, and it has Laura Lee on it, and I think it's just so cool. It's like gives you inspo, and I just think this whole thing is awesome so far. So we're going to jump right into some swatches. Right here we have On the Grind, and it feels so smooth and creamy. And let's just see. Oh, that is beautiful. This is like a nice like champagne-y color. Oof. And then we're going to go to this matte, and this one is Deadline, and they just feel so freaking smooth, you guys. Wow. I like that. And then we're going to go to CEO, which is more of like a kind of rose goldy, almost champagne-y color. Oh, girl. That is beautiful, and these are swatching so nicely. Now we're going to go to 9 to 5, which is this kind of like rusty kind of color. Reminds me of kind of like bricks almost. Ooh, that is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Then we're going to go to Hustler, which is this like beautiful like yellow shimmery shade. And just like look at that. Oh crap. That swatched beautiful as well. Oof, these are just awesome. And last but not least, we're going to go into Clocked Out, which is another like darker matte brown. Oh, these just swatch so beautifully. There's not like a ton of fallout, and these colors are just so beautiful. The formula seems so nice. Oh my goodness. Now we're gonna go into the Party Animal palette, and this first like neon green color, it's called It's a Party, is beautiful, and same as the other ones, the formula just feels so good and creamy. And oh my goodness, look how beautiful that is. Wow. Okay, now we're going to go to Damage Control, which is this lighter blue shade right in the middle. Oh my gosh. Wow. Then we're gonna go to Karaoke, which is this darker kind of cobalt blue shade, I guess. Ooh, that's beautiful. Let me see if I can get a better swatch. It's not the palette's fault, it's my fault. Okay, there we go. Oh, beautiful. Now we're gonna go down to this bright orange shade, which is Drinks. Now this one and this one do feel a little bit harder pressed down almost, but nothing to be concerned about. Ooh, that's a pretty orange. Wow. Alright, now we're gonna go into this very shimmery pinky shade called Bottoms Up. Now this one did have a little bit more fallout, but it is more glittery, but holy crap, you guys, do you see that? Oh my god, that is beautiful. That's swatched beautiful. Wow, that's beautiful. Now we're gonna go to the last shade, Hungover, which is another shimmery purple kind of color, and this one feels super duper creamy. Oh my god, that's beautiful. Alright, so here are the Boss Babe shades, and here are the Party Animal shades, all swatched out for you guys. I think all of these colors are so beautiful. You can get so many different looks from them. I think that, this is just super fun and just very creative. The pigment seems so nice and consistent with the colors, and I'm just super excited to try this out. Today I am going to use Boss Babe, which is the more neutral kind of colors. I'm going to be using my Morphe M573 brush, and I'm going to go into this Deadline color and just, wow, can you see that? The pigment is just, whoa, that picked up a lot. I'm going to tap off the excess, and I'm just going to try to go in right here. That first color blended out so nicely. It's not patchy by any means. The pigment is great. It does pick up a lot, so you don't need to, dip in aggressively or anything like that. I'm going to go into 9 to 5, this really beautiful kind of rust color, and just kind of put that over it, but not bring it all the way in. I just stuttered, sorry. I'm going to build up that color a little bit more because this color is just so beautiful. Now I'm going to go into Clocked Out, and I've been using the same brush, and they are just, these colors are so beautiful, and I'm just going to pack that kind of right here and just kind of blend it into that rusted kind of red color without bringing it too high. It did take a little bit longer to blend out, Clocked Out, this dark chocolatey brown, but it wasn't impossible, and it didn't get patchy or anything. It didn't really stick to right here, but that's my own fault because I didn't prime my eyes, and I have kind of eczema patches, so it just doesn't want to work. I did blend it out on these outer corners and went back in with 9 to 5 and just kind of blended that all in, and I think this looks so beautiful. Alright, I'm very excited to go into this CEO shade, and we're just going to see if we can pack this on to the more inner part of the eye. Now that's not with any glitter glue wetting the brush or anything, and that just transferred so nicely, and the pigment is great. Ooh. Just for shits and giggles, we are going to wet the brush just a wee bit and go back into that same color right here. I guess that enhanced it a little bit, but I'm honestly just going to try my finger. That worked really nicely as well. So honestly, this palette is awesome because you can, use these more shimmery shades, dry, wet, or with your finger, and they're all gonna work so beautifully, and it's not like you have to wet your brush and, put glitter glue down and whatnot, which is so nice. I mean, I think that if you did use glitter glue or whatever, it might pop a little bit more, but this just looks so nice. A deadline right here and just kind of buff it out right where the two colors meet, just so it's not like a harsh line. Alright, and now I'm going to pop on the grind this more champagne-y color right on the inner corner and right on like my brow bone area. Pretty. There we go. Alright you guys, this is the finished look. I threw on some eyeliner and some mascara and just smoked out the lower lash line just a little bit, and wow, this looks so beautiful. The colors were so easy to blend. They didn't have any like fallout, maybe a tiny bit, but nothing to be concerned about. You can definitely do your foundation before you do your eyes with this palette, and oh my goodness, it's just so beautiful. I am actually kind of mad because the eyeliner I used was transferring onto the eyeshadow, but not too bad. So I hope that you guys liked this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.